बहुत बढ़िया काम है, कोई शिकायत नहीं है। हम तो लाइफ टाइम कस्टमर बन गए हैं। हमको अंकित भाई अच्छे लगे, मतलब क्रैंकिट भी अच्छा लगा। जिनको भी ये करवाना है ना भैया, बहुत अच्छे लोग हैं, भरोसे के लायक हैं, इनसे ही करवाइए।
Hi guys, and today we have with us the BMW X5, and this is the brand new 2024 X5. And the client asked me one simple question: should I get my car paint protection film installed after a year or 2 years? And the answer to that, a lot of people ask me this question, is the best time to get your paint protection film installed is when the car is brand new, not when it's old, so that you don't end up getting any stone chips, scratches, or any other marks on the paint, which either cannot be removed and you have to repaint it, or if it can be removed, it really won't be the same finish as it was when it came in brand new. So if you have to get your paint protection film installed, the perfect time to do it is when the car is brand new. Always remember that. So anyways, we're going to show you step by step how we install the paint protection film, because a lot of people ask us, is it just a sheet that you pretty much just stick onto it directly? It's not that simple. There are a lot of other stages that go in through it. So step by step, let's show you what all we do. The first step that we're going to be doing is a full decontamination wash and claying of the car in order to clarify the paint completely. After that, we move into paint correction, which according to the need of the paint can be done from anywhere from step 1 to step 3 in order to give it the finishing we need. And then finally after that is when we put on the paint protection film. After that, we coat all the other parts that are not getting covered, like the headlights, the alloys, the glasses, and the inside the leather as well. So all of that together is the whole package which comes in when you get the paint protection film done. So stay tuned with us. Let's show you step by step how we do this car. So after the decontamination wash, the next process that we've done is to do the paint correction like you saw. Now we've done 2 stages of paint correction. The first was to cut out all the scratches on the paint, and the second was to polish it in order to get a deep gloss finish on the paint that you can see right now. That is what you need to achieve before the sheet is installed onto the paint. Because once the physical sheet is installed, like you will see, you can't really keep removing the sheet to access the paint. If there are scratches on the paint, they will remain the same. Unless you're doing a matte finish which would hide it, a gloss finish will be a perfect mirror finish of what is on the paint. So if there are scratches and you install the sheet, you will be able to still see the scratches. So the endeavor is to always do the paint correction properly. Whether it requires 1 step, 2 steps or 3 steps, it should be done accurately in order to give the finishing that you would expect, so that you don't need to keep removing the PPF to access the paint. So always check the paint before the PPF is installed, so that all the scratches are removed and the paint is shining to its ultimate best. Because once it's done, it's going to be sealed either for 5, 8 or 10 years based upon what PPF you're getting put on the car. So yeah, very important stage. A lot of people don't even focus on it, but for a good detailer, this is one of the primary steps. And the second one is to tuck in the PPF when it's put in. So always remember that. The next stage is going to be the paint protection film application, which we're going to be doing. So yeah, that is when we're going to ensure that all the seams have been tucked in properly, and then at the end you'll see the aftershots of the car where you won't be able to make out even one line placed anywhere. गाइस फाइनली हमारी गाड़ी हो गई है तैयार एंड आपने देखा है फ्रॉम स्टार्ट टू एंड हमने इस गाड़ी को जो कंडीशन में आई थी वहां से यहाँ तक कैसे लगा है और गाड़ी को प्रोटेक्ट किया है पीपीएफ के साथ। तो आपको कैसा लगा? अब गाड़ी प्रोटेक्ट हो गई और काम कैसा लगा आप ये बताओ।
नहीं बहुत बढ़िया काम है, कोई शिकायत नहीं है। हम तो लाइफ टाइम कस्टमर बन गए अंकित भाई।
और आप पहले आए थे एक बार बस उस टाइम
नहीं जरूर जरूर, अभी कोई भी फ्यूचर में एक भरोसा हो जाता है ना।
क्रैंकिट कैसा लगा आपको?
बढ़िया बढ़िया, हमको तो अंकित भाई अच्छे लगे, मतलब क्रैंकिट भी अच्छा लगा।
एंड कोई कहीं पे लाइन नजर आती है, कुछ भी नजर आता है गाड़ी
लाइन अगर अभी तो फिलहाल कुछ भी नहीं है, एकदम टकाटक है। अगर ऐसा कुछ होगा तो आप ही है, आपके पास लेके आएंगे।
आप क्या रेकमेंड करते हैं लोग को जिनको कराना है?
जरूर जरूर, जिनको भी ये करवाना है ना भैया, बहुत अच्छे लोग हैं, भरोसे के लायक हैं, इनसे ही करवाइए।
थैंक यू सर।